It's your boy Crypto 001. I'm fully back again on my channel. Today I want to quickly show you how you can make money from P2P arbitrage. In this kind of arbitrage, you don't have to risk your money too much compared to future spot trading and the rest. But when it comes to P2P arbitrage, it involves buying from one person and sell to another person. Especially this actually work in Nigeria because in our country we can buy USDT with our official Mastercard or Visa card. So this is the only way we can make money very quick in my country personally. So I want to show you this update how you can make money within 10 minutes or 20 minutes of your time. It depends on how fast as you are. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's jump into the update. And please, before I show you this update, if you are someone that don't always like going to the market to scan for arbitrage, you can simply subscribe to my channel, like and share this video so it gets to so many people. And also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that it you will get notified anytime I post new videos like this, or anytime I just want to dash out updates. Okay, this update I just want to dash it out. So if you are watching this video right now and right away, you can go and claim it, or you can go and perform this arbitrage and make this profit to yourself. I just want to dash this out. I just scan it right now, and I've been making profit from this kind of arbitrage. So I just decided to do it for you guys today, so that one or two person can benefit from it. Depends on your capital actually. First of all, you can see where you are seeing express here. Click on the express and click on p2p. Once you click on the express and click on the p2p, you come down here to btc. Can you see it's actually on btc here? So this arbitrage is actually working here on btc. So once you come down here on btc, we are going to take advantage of this, the difference in price here. So the exchange I'm actually using for this is k.io. So it's always advisable for you to have multiple exchanges so that you can scan through them, and maybe if you see opportunity, you take. So what we need to do is, you can see this guy is actually selling BTC at the price of 173,600,000. So, and you've come to sell side here, you are going to see this guy is also going to buy going to buy BTC from you at the price of 229,687,453. So what you need to do, you can, it's a pure understanding that this is an arbitrage. What you need to do is to come here where you see buy here from this guy, you click on buy. Once you click on buy, an interface like this is going to pop up. You can actually decide to buy everything from this guy if you have the capital. But if you don't have the capital up to this, you can decide to buy maybe 100,000, 200 or 50,000 naira, and you still make profit. But let's assume you want to buy everything from this guy. Okay, just click on, you can see bank transfer. So you're going to send this amount of money to this guy. So if I'm sending three, if I'm buying everything from this guy, I'm going to pay this guy 300 312,148 naira, and it will give me 0.00179808. So with my 312,148 naira, I will receive 0.00179808 of BTC. I've put that aside. Then I will now, after buying this BTC, I will now come to sell side here. You can see this is a very quick arbitrage, because updates like this, I repeat again, it's always hard to find, but once you find it, you just take advantage of it. So the by the time I'm making this video for the fastest thinker. So if after buying from the guy, I will now come to sell side here to sell to this particular guy. This is what I'm going to do. I will now click buy crypto amount. I will now insert the amount I have, 0.001, is it 179808. So with my 0.001799808 of BTC, I'm going to receive 412,996 naira. So you can see the profit here. So let's go to my calculator. Our profit here is 412,996 naira minus our initial capital, which was 312,148. So you can see you will make a profit of 100,848 naira. So even if you don't have up to, even if you don't have up to 100,000, you can start with 50,000, 20,000, you will still make money. Okay, if you like content like this, please do well to subscribe, like and share my video so that it will get to other people to also benefit from this channel. And please also turn on the notification button, because I will be posting videos like this anytime I see opportunity for you guys. Okay.